to the God Building Time. In this video, I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been with us for quite some time, so I thought about creating a video about it. So, what is ChatGPT? It's kind of like a kind of platform where you speak to an AI. So, over here is a text box. So, type what is your name? Is it ChatGPT? Type it. Say yes, my name is ChatGPT. So as you can see, it's kind of a platform where you can talk to an AI whose name is ChatGPT. So, yep, okay. So you can ask any questions to ChatGPT. After that, it will give you a nice answer, an answer that you can understand. And notice that if I type this, when is your data off? As you can see, its data can only answer questions till 2021. That means that it can't update. That means it is not up to date till the time right now. So after some years, it's going to come to up to date knowledge, and then it's going to start putting. Now you can see that this is regenerate response. If you click on it, it will say it will put like another type of answer. So as you can see, it's saying who will host. Let's just say who will host World Cup 2026. It was already, it was in the 2018. Canada, 10 Mexico, 48 teams. MetLife in New Jersey, USA. So as you can see that it will show the whole nice answer. I'm just going to put a thumbs up, and then you can even submit feedback. So now you can keep anything here. Like if you don't have what to do, what to do, you can just type it. To do, what to do outside. Like, yeah, let's just keep what to do outside. Okay, so first let's see some of the examples, capabilities, and limitations. So first let's start with capabilities. It remembers what the user said earlier in the conversation, allows user to provide follow-up corrections, trained to decline inappropriate requests. So it is very good that it remembered what the user said earlier in the conversation. Because as it is remembering, like if we ask what is 5 plus 5, it will say 10. Now explain the question I just said earlier. Then you don't have to type what was the question. You don't have to type 5 plus 5 again. Just type the question earlier. Then it is just going to explain the whole thing. Limitations may occasionally generate incorrect information that might work for coding. So create a simple snake simple make game using Python. You can see it's going to type the whole code. So, yup, it's still now correct. And then I'm going to go choose. Okay, stop for a second right over here. As you can see, it stopped. So, it's just going to continue. Okay, so as you can see that it is just typing up the whole code, so it's already at the game loop. Then it's going to move the snake, pause for a second. Is then after that we're gonna is that code correct? See, it may not run correctly. Now it's also going to type why it will not work. So as you can see that the code that it gives is not absolutely correct. That means it would be better if you write your own code instead of writing this code, because it's just going to give what it thinks. Okay, so now what can happen with this ChatGPT in the future? Well, ChatGPT, if ChatGPT comes to up to date, then journalists will have ChatGPT. That means they can just find a very, if it's like up to date from like 1 second behind, journalists don't have to like travel all over the world. Well, if they actually want to look at it, then yes, but also then they'll have ChatGPT to help them. And then after that, like if ChatGPT types the code more faster and the code starts to get more accurate, like it needs to be at least 98% accurate so that debugging won't have to be a lot, then people can use this to for the coding, and then the coders can also become debuggers. So I think that this is going to be very useful in the future. So, till now, the boundary of time is out.